Hi everyone, so in today's video I'm gonna cut my hair and probably color it too. I'm not sure about that yet, but my hair is very long and I want to do something with it. I have said since like May that I want to cut my hair short, like not this short but shorter. But then when it was summer I wanted to have long hair and blonde hair because most of my hair is blonde. I made it like ombre in March or something, so a long time ago, and that is starting to grow out, and instead of redoing my ombre I just want to cut it off basically. And I've said this whole time that I am gonna cut my hair before November, and I don't know what date it is today, but it's the first weekend in October and my sister's here and she said okay, let's just cut it. So my sister is gonna cut my hair and she's gonna color it, and I'm gonna stop talking because most of you guys are probably here to see me cut my hair off. So let's jump right into it. I'm so nervous. Let's do it.
Ja, då kör vi bara.
Ja.
Say goodbye to your hair.
Oh my god. Åh herregud.
Ska jag ta upp på det?
Vi sparar dem.
Ja.
Så kan man ta kort.
Kan man hänga upp dem? Vad ska jag? Kan du få vända dig om? Så vi kan titta. Kom igen nu.
Okej. Okay, so we cut my hair, and which you can't see now because right now we're coloring it, and also my eyebrows because I had ombre and I just wanted my hair to be one color. So yeah, I have no idea what this will look like. I'm so scared. But yeah, I really don't know. My eyebrows though, they are looking good. Or not, I don't know. Yeah, I'm a bit scared to rinse this out because I don't know what it will look like. Fun! Okay, so this is how my hair turned out. I'm so happy. It's so nice to have short hair, but it feels so weird, like it just stops. I think it turned out great. I really like the color. I think it looks pretty natural, and I think this is pretty similar to my natural hair color, but I have bleached my hair for so many years now, so I don't really know what my natural hair color is, but I think it's something like this maybe. But yeah, I can't stop touching it because I'm so happy. And because I did cut off this much hair, like this is like, it looks so weird seeing my blonde hair, like this is kind of gross. I looked in some like organizations that takes hair to make wigs, so I tried to see if I could donate it because it's pretty much, but most organizations don't want the hair to be bleached or colored or anything, and this is absolutely not my natural hair color. This hair has been bleached like 2 or 3 times, and the organizations that did take bleached hair wanted longer hair, so this was too short. So I'm just gonna have to throw it away. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. I'm not very good at posting videos that often, but when I do, they're good. If you want me to do like a video where I style my hair, I don't do that very often, so... But if you want me to try different like hairstyles for short hair, because I've never had this short hair, give this video a like or something, and I will try to do that when I have time. Anyways, I'll see you in my next video or on Instagram or somewhere, so bye! And shout out to my sister for cutting and coloring. She did a very good job. I didn't really trust her, but thanks. I'm gonna link her Instagram down here. I don't know if she's private or have an open Instagram, but I'm gonna do it anyway because give her some love. She's very good. When I had long hair, it took forever to flip it, so now I flip it all the time because it takes like 1 second. It's so nice. Before, when it was long, it was like went in slow motion, but I was like